Fedcap was founded in 1935 by 3 unemployed veterans who were shut out of the workforce by a society that did not believe people with disabilities could work. They set out to change misperceptions and attitudes by proving that people with barriers could be productive workers. Fedcap continues its commitment to develop innovative and sustainable solutions to help Americans overcome barriers and work towards self-sufficiency. Over the years, we've served hundreds of thousands of individuals. We have expanded our reach to serve others who face barriers that make it difficult to find work. Now we touch more than 40,000 lives each year and empower them to achieve economic independence and affect change for their families and in their communities. The business requirements for a skilled workforce are forever changing. Innovation is essential to build new approaches to help individuals overcome many different barriers and become economically independent. We've structured the delivery of our services within 4 practice areas: education, workforce development, economic development, and occupational health. Our Community Impact Institute serves these practice areas through research and discovery. Fedcap's reach includes underserved populations such as youth aging out of foster care, veterans, the formerly incarcerated, sheltered homeless, and older adults throughout the United States. New resources are needed in order to pursue sustainable, relevant impact. We are eager to collaborate with individuals, foundations, and businesses who are interested in investing in Fedcap and helping us build strong and vibrant communities. By integrating education, workforce development, economic development, and occupational health, Fedcap provides a holistic and comprehensive path to economic independence. Fedcap's efficient and effective core has created an environment to support growth through mergers and acquisitions. Our efforts to broaden our population and geographic reach efficiently deliver our programmatic success to more people, strengthening more communities. We're also flexible. Barriers to employment are not stagnant, but constantly change. Our program is ready to meet those changes with new and inventive solutions. We pioneered the social enterprise model and operate businesses in total facilities management, manufacturing, security, and home care. These businesses create jobs and provide income that we invest in our ongoing work. Fedcap is data-driven. Framing a clear strategic direction, we look to the future using information and research to ensure that the agency is positioned to succeed within an evolving marketplace. Our dedicated board and management team consists of thought leaders from every sector of the professional world. We address problems, old and new, with a multifaceted approach that results in lasting, transformative change. Combined with the efforts of our Community Impact Institute, Fedcap's research and discovery arm, our organization is not only effective, but cutting edge. Fedcap's dynamic leadership and pursuit of innovative strategies allow us to empower people with barriers and enrich both society and commerce. Einstein once said, "Not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts." Metrics That Matter, developed by our Community Impact Institute, documents our impact in education, workforce development, economic development, and occupational health, and our success in creating sustainable change. It's not good enough to say you've served thousands of people, but rather, what's changed because of our interventions? We measure increases in college graduation rates for young people in foster care, increased employment rates for people with disabilities and veterans, and increased economic independence by reducing reliance on government support. There's always some confusion with the name Fedcap. We're not part of the federal government. We're not a hedge fund. And we certainly don't manufacture caps. Many people don't realize the full breadth and depth of services Fedcap provides. Despite our laser-focused mission of economic independence for people with barriers, we work to improve the systems that affect people who never walk through our door. In addition to providing services for thousands of people, Fedcap operates commercially viable businesses in facilities management, manufacturing, security, and home care that employ 1,800, many of whom graduated from Fedcap programs. At Fedcap, we have much to be proud of. We serve 40,000 people each year with an array of programs and services. Some 85% of our students are placed in jobs within 3 months of graduation. First-year retention of people placed in Fedcap jobs is more than 90%. Fedcap believes in a "we're better together" approach and has merged with like-minded organizations to work smarter and more effectively, eliminate redundancies, and reduce overhead. This strategy has helped us strengthen impact while expanding our geographic reach. We developed a model within higher education to enhance college graduation rates for youth in foster care. Nationally, 50% of foster care youth drop out of college their first year. In our first year, our powerful and effective program realized a 95% retention rate for the same population. The financial crisis of 2008 has taken its toll on the nonprofit sector. Public funding has decreased across the board, leaving gaping holes in safety net services. As such, the ability to capitalize innovation is an ongoing challenge, critical to solving problems in our community. Sleepy nonprofits are at risk of losing appeal, diminishing their impact, and underachieving. Capitalizing technology and scalability necessary for improved outcomes are increasingly difficult. Fedcap will focus on innovation, technology, and leverage. As a founder of vocational rehabilitation and as a pioneer in social enterprise, Fedcap is committed to create change that matters and lasts. Innovation is part of the DNA of Fedcap. Using new resources to strengthen our core, philanthropy allows us to be nimble and responsive to emerging needs. Rapid shifts in how people communicate and learn make it clear our need to advance web-based solutions. Our goal is to invest in technology to increase the reach of our programs and services. With leverage, sometimes 1 + 1 equals far more than 2. By investing in Fedcap, your dollars are leveraged to make a greater impact on people, programs, and systems. That is smart philanthropy. We are committed to build a technology platform that engages young people in learning, providing online tools they can access to help them succeed. We will use resources to take proven service models and interventions to larger audiences. Our program that helps youth in foster care remain in college has proven outcomes that may be implemented on a greater scale. We will develop a workforce strategy for individuals age 55 and older who need employment as well as skills sharpening. And we will design a staffing agency model for private business focused on meeting employer needs through the hiring of individuals with barriers.